If you have elections planning, I know they're being planned in February next year. Of course, that is a good thing. But if they are preventing one major player,
not including all the parties.
If you're not including Awami League, for example, in the elections, then how can you say that this is a free and democratic election?
That is the point.
Exactly.
This is a problem. So now, number one, the killing needs to stop. The torture needs to stop. The violence needs to stop, and the oppression needs to stop. Number two, you need to have clear, free, democratic elections. This is my point. And like I said, I'm not taking sides for anyone, against anyone. I'm taking sides for the human rights.
Yes.
For the democratic process. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
I want to conclude with the remarks, and I'm absolutely grateful to Mr. Kaleba, Mr. Majumdar, Mr. all other distinguished guests, and I want to conclude with these remarks. With the global diaspora community, Bangladesh urged the unconstitutional Yunus regime to stop political vengeance and repression against the legitimate Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina, and ordinary citizens. And one thing, the people of Bangladesh will reclaim their sovereignty, integrity, independence, and freedom of choice. That's all for today. Thank you very much.
Thank you.